Welcome back to Techviewz, guys. So today we're gonna see a launch pad. Okay, so the launch pad is name is Moonpad, guys. Okay, so the Moonpad, it's a IDO based platform, Binance merchant token, and the pre-sale is going on, guys. Okay, everything we're gonna see in this video, guys. So let's get into the video, guys. So the IDO platform, the name is Moonpad, guys. Okay, it's a new pad that's going to launch in Binance Smart Chain. Okay, the Moonpad is the decentralized pre-sale and IDO platform based Binance Smart Chain, guys. Okay, so the Moonpad pre-sale is going on right now. This is the best project that make regulate current problems when plugging in DeFi, guys. Okay, so a lot of transactions made changes from their team and they regulated this token, guys. Okay, so this Moonpad, okay, the Moonpad is decentralized and pre-sale is going on right now. So guys, this token, Moonpad token, is right now the current price is 0.0001. Okay, the pre-sale price is 0.00012, guys. Okay, right now. And how this is Moonpad is working. Okay, so how this is working under Binance Smart Chain, all the details are given here. And tokenomics, okay, tokenomics is here. The management is 10%, ecosystem 25%, IDO 10%, team wallet 2%, liquidity 45%, stacking and mining 30%, private sale 5%, banning and public sale 4%. That much tokenomics is given here. And out of 100%, 5% into 5%, 10% is used for management and partnership respectively, guys. Okay, so like the 10% is used for initial decks, 2% is for team wallet, everything is given here. So Moonnomics, for slippage you have to give buy for 6% and sell for 10%, guys. Okay, so IDO announcement, IDO Moonrocks exclusive launch in Moonpad, guys. Okay, so the IDO announcement, everything is given here. So this is a team video here. Okay, that's fine. And the roadmap of Q1, Q2, Q3, everything is given here. The roadmap of Q1 is development phase, roadmap of Q2 is marketing phase, and roadmap of Q3 is utility phase. This much of our roadmap is given here, and the team who are all founded and who are all worked in this project, everything is given here. Founder is Lolit and co-founder is Kensa, and social manager, marketing manager, developer, everything is given here. Okay, so if you want to apply any IDO, okay, if you have any project or if you want to launch any project in this Moonpad, you have to apply here. You can click and apply here. Okay, if you want to contact their team, you can contact your email, Discord and Telegram, guys. Okay, the partnership of this coin is Chainlink and Audit Finance and Lobby first, guys. Okay, that much partnership is there. So guys, here is the home page. So if you want to, pre-sale is going on right now, everything you will see in this video. So if you are clicking for apply for IDO, you can apply here. Okay, so then click on pre-sale IDO. Pre-sale means in this browser it is not supported, so just go back and just copy this link. Okay, just copy the link and open MetaMask. Just copy the link and open MetaMask and paste it there, because it is supported on only MetaMask or Trust Wallet is fine, but Trust Wallet probably I don't know exactly. So probably you can open it MetaMask, that's fine. Moonpad Live, already I opened, so the page is opening here. Moonpad Live, this is the Moonpad, and click on connect wallet. So my wallet is getting connecting. So here the Pulse Moonpad, okay, this is the Pulse Moonpad. I hope you all know that in the Pulse Moonpad only this Moonpad is available to buy. Okay, so yeah, my wallet is connected. So if anybody want to buy this Moonpad and this pre-sale, you have to go to Pulse Moonpad and you can buy. Okay, Moonpad pre-sale, okay, ends in 15 days 22 hours. Okay, the progress 72,300 BNP right now. 23 BNB overall filled, guys. Okay, 23 BNB overall filled, and amount, if I want to buy here, I can buy here anything. Okay, status in progress, sell type public, minimum by 0.1 BNB, maximum by 3 BNB, soft copy is 20 BNB, hard copy is 300 BNB, guys. Okay, so up to 300 BNB only this Moonpad pre-sale will fill. So anybody you want to buy, you can connect the wallet and you can buy it here, guys. Right now 23 BNB is filled, guys. Okay, so that much this is going good. I feel like this Moonpad will reach somewhat end. So probably guys, you check it out. Okay, check all the related documents and the team, then you can buy it. Then you can think about it whether you need to buy or not. Okay, so the Telegram page, everything is available here. So Telegram I already joined, and the Discord, email, everything is given here. Okay, this is apply for IDO. If you have any own project, if you want to launch in the Moonpad IDO, then you can apply here, guys. Okay, so like that, a lot of facilities available here. So the Moonpad, probably after launching, this will be going to Moon. Okay, so why I'm telling means because this market, because of the market only, recently a lot of coins are not going to the Moon. Okay, once if the market is fine, then you can invest and make profit, a lot of profits, guys. Okay, so the Moonpad is launching, and probably the Moonpad pre-sale is going to end in 15 days, guys. Okay, so before that, do your own research, and if you feel like worthy, you can buy this Moonpad pre-sale, guys. Okay, this is Pulse Moonpad. This is available. The Pulse Moonpad. This is Moonpad is available, guys. Okay, connect to your wallet and you can buy it here, guys. Okay, guys. See you soon. If any other updates about this Moonpad, I will update you in your Telegram channel. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel, guys. This is our official Telegram channel, Techviewz. So don't forget to join our channel. So see you in another great video, guys. Thank you so much.